Best smokers comparison. Electric smokers are a game changer for barbecue enthusiasts, offering a convenient and precise way to achieve smoky, flavorful results without the hassle of managing firewood or charcoal. In this comparison, we evaluated 5 electric smoker models priced between $175 and $296 to help consumers make informed purchasing decisions. List 1. Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric vertical barbecue smoker with. The Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker is the premium option in this comparison, offering 710 square inches of cooking space and advanced features such as digital controls and a patented side wood chip loader. Its vertical design is spacious enough to accommodate large batches of food, including up to 7 chickens or 4 racks of ribs. The fully insulated construction and adjustable air damper ensure consistent heat and smoke retention, while the convenient viewing window allows users to monitor their food without opening the door. Performance-wise, this smoker excels at maintaining steady temperatures up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for low and slow cooking. The removable water bowl and grease tray simplify cleanup, while the lockable door latch minimizes heat and smoke loss. The digital controls are intuitive, allowing precise adjustments for cooking time and temperature. However, at 50.3 pounds, it's relatively heavy, and some users may find the price point steep. Overall, this smoker is best suited for experienced users or those who prioritize. List 2. Masterbuilt 30-inch electric vertical barbecue smoker with analog. The Masterbuilt analog electric smoker offers a simpler, more affordable alternative to the digital model. Featuring 535 square inches of cooking space and analog temperature controls. With 3 chrome-coated racks, it can handle a variety of meats, including up to 3 chickens or 2 turkeys. The removable wood chip tray and water bowl enhance flavor and moisture, while the rear grease tray facilitates easy cleanup. This smoker is ideal for users seeking straightforward functionality without digital controls. Its analog dial allows for temperature adjustments up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, but it lacks the precision of digital models. The build quality is solid, though the absence of insulation may result in minor heat fluctuations in colder climates. At 49.9 pounds, it's slightly lighter than the digital version, making it more portable. Overall, this smoker is a great choice for budget-conscious users or beginners looking to explore electric smoking. List number. The Stoke 30-inch electric smoker stands out for its innovative design and advanced features, including a built-in meat probe and extended smoking times on a single wood chip load. With 725 square inches of cooking space, it's one of the largest options in this comparison, accommodating multiple racks of ribs or whole birds. The side chip loader allows for uninterrupted smoking, while the digital controls and keep warm mode ensure consistent results. This smoker is perfect for users who value convenience and efficiency. The built-in meat probe eliminates guesswork, providing real-time temperature tracking without opening the door. Its powder-coated steel construction is durable, though at 62 pounds, it's the heaviest model reviewed. While the price is mid-range, the smoker's long-lasting performance and thoughtful design justify the investment. It's best suited for serious barbecue enthusiasts or those cooking for large gatherings. List number 4. The Masterbuilt 2007-0210 analog electric smoker is an older model that still offers reliable performance with 548 square inches of cooking space and dual-wall insulation. Its front-loading wood chip tray and removable water pan make it easy to infuse flavor and moisture into your food. The temperature gauge on the door provides basic monitoring, and the 3 chrome-coated racks offer ample cooking versatility. While functional, this model lacks some of the advanced features found in newer versions. Its analog controls are straightforward but may not appeal to users seeking precision. The dual-wall insulation is a plus for heat retention. though the plastic outer material may not be as durable as steel. At 50.3 pounds, it's relatively portable. This smoker is a decent option for users who prioritize simplicity and affordability over modern features. List 5. The Royal Gourmet SE2805 is the budget-friendly option in this comparison, offering 454 square inches of cooking space and analog temperature controls. Despite its lower price, it features a stainless steel water pan and chip box for enhanced flavor. The insulated chamber ensures even heating, while the 3 chrome-plated racks provide sufficient space for small to medium batches of food. This smoker is ideal for beginners or users with limited budgets. Its 1,350-watt heating element performs well, though the smaller cooking space may not suit larger gatherings. The build quality is solid for the price, but it lacks advanced features like digital controls or a side chip loader. Overall, this smoker offers great value for casual users or those new to electric smoking.